everybody! Welcome back to another video. I already recorded this, but the footage was a little bit weird. So, first things first in this video, you'll want to grab a baseball bat. Oh, by the way, I'm going to be teaching you how to get the secret viruses inside of this game. Grab the baseball bat, and this is for mobile users, because I usually only see computer users doing this glitch and showing you, but luckily I will show you. So with your left hand, you will want to move forward into this wall. Right hand, whip out 2 fingers, switch between baseball bat and needle gun really fast. And then you will be in Epic Viruses. You will need to run over here. Speed killer, copycat, teleport killer, gun killer, ice killer, puncher, and a special zombie for these guys so you can become them. And over here behind this wall, we have Fallen Angel, Angel, Slenderman. And then if you want to get like Christmas or Halloween or Grimace virus, you will need to go back over here doing that same trick, but grab C4. Go back into the room, and then once you're back in, run over here, go past the wall again, but you will need to go past this wall, place down C4, stand right on top of it. And then, kablooey! Move forward, run over here. Like me when I first got here, don't worry about this red. If you get this virus right in here, it does literally nothing. All it does is give your monster like a little cough, and then that's it. It only makes one tiny sound, or whatever. Grab C4, place it down, wait for the kaboom, and then move into it, get the Grimace virus. I like to zoom out for this part. See that? That is pretty cool. And then you just need to fall back down here. Run back over here. Slip through there. Go through here. And then, well, bam. Just gotta get myself a chamber. Inject the Grimace virus and watch this. You see my skin color? Well, watch this. Ouchie, wouchie. It should turn me purple. Oh, and my purple tint is pretty nice. And also, Grimace is really weak. He only hits you once in the entire thing, and he just wants to turn you purple. So that means you're able to win any fight with him. Just beat him. Ugh. If you lose, I will be impressed. So, if you get this guy, try to lose, because it's impossible, I'm pretty sure. Say goodbye to your life. I'm gonna kill you. Nice. Look at that little floating head. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you. Let me just run through here, get through here, run up to this wall. So you may have seen these viruses, Speed Killer, Copycat, and all these. And that special zombie one so you can become them. Well, if you come through here, here's the most powerful viruses, Fallen Angel, Angel, and Slenderman. And that concludes that lesson. So, doing the same little glitch, just get out, by the way, using that same glitch. Okay, and once you're going to run through here, to make yourself really powerful in this game, you wanna, hold on, sorry about the just running back and forth thing. Come here, speed killer, grab that, got that, okay. Now, baseball bat, baseball bat, baseball bat. Oh, nice, yeah. Okay, now just need to run through here, get through here, back to my chamber. New subject, hold that guy. Speed killer. Wow, I injected him perfectly. You can't even see it. You'll want to run back through here. And if you're willing to pay 25 row coins, you're able to come over to this research lab. Hit interact, hold it down, and then you need to scroll down to infect and hit the add to make it look remove and hit create for 25 coins. But if you want to do it for free, you just need to run back through here. Come here. And then just, and doing the baseball bat and needle gun trick is not easy. The last video, I was horrible. You could just see me doing it for like a whole minute. So just to let you know that it's not easy to learn like the little baseball bat trick. It's even harder to do it with chambers, but you're able to do it. Then once your guy turns green and he has this little green effect, then you're able to get hit by him. And then once you do that, then bam! You just got yourself a free superpower. And see? And then, oh wait, I've already been infected. So, grab your bat and C4 again. Then you don't have to do it in the order that I have it in, but I like it in this order. No gun, baseball, bat, C4. Just get hurt. Oh, I'm red now. Red with anger. And then look, this guy is enjoying himself peacefully. Well, we can't have that. Oh, what's that? Your subject's here? Oh, poor subject. But it's even harder to get through that one, that glass right there. And then see, you're able to just clip through this stuff.